welcome to the Mermaid Academy YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to apply Mer-Tape. 3 things you need: a pair of scissors, your Mer-Tape, and your mermaid tail. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to find the backing side, not the tape side. We're going to find the backing side. You can see that by the little slit. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. Once we do that, we have 4 quarters, and it's a lot easier to work with than trying to work with the whole piece of tape at one time. We're going to pull 1 quarter of the backing off. And now we can see the tip of the tail. So we're going to look through the tape and find the tip of the tail. Once we do that, we're going to find the spot we want to apply it and just slowly work the tape onto the tip. So now we have 1 quarter on. Then we're going to go over here, we're going to take the second quarter off, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to work that into the tail. Now we're going to pull the second half off. Get rid of that. And then we're just going to bring it underneath and do your best to line it up as close to lining it up as you can, and then slowly just work your fingers off the tail, and then take your finger and just rub it so that you're creating a seal. Same thing on both sides. You just want to create a seal. Then all you need are some scissors. If you have some non-stick scissors, that's even more helpful. And then we like to leave about, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. We probably overdo it a little bit, but you can leave as much as you'd like, but do leave some on there because this is your protection from water getting into the tape. And then there you have it. Flip it over to the other side, make sure you work that in. We're doing this out in the sun today, but we highly recommend that you do it in a cool place because it's very humid out here, and it'll help the tape to stick if you do it in a cool, dry location. We like to allow that to sit on there for a couple of hours, and then you're ready to do the other side and go swimming. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate all of you purchasing mermaid tails from the Mermaid Academy, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos.